everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 23-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 23-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 23-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 23-1 work together, where we will be journalizing partners' investments and withdrawals. So the instructions say cash receipts, cash payments, and general journals are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. B&B Diving completed the following transactions during March of the current year. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given 4 transactions, and they are dated on March 1st and March 30th. Number 1 is asking us to use page 1 of a cash receipts journal to journalize the investments on March 1st. And number 2 is asking us to use page 1 of a cash payments journal and page 3 of a general journal to journalize the withdrawals on March 30th. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 23-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 23-1 work together, in which we will be journalizing partners' investments and withdrawals. Alright, so that is the end of the 23-1 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 23-2 text. Okay? Thank you.